Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is, I don't even know what time it is in the morning, but Jonathan is leaving today. I told him we're gonna wake up and do cardio first thing. I didn't tell him what the cardio was gonna be, so he is dressed, he is ready. We're gonna go do some cardio now. All right, y'all, like I said, do a morning cardio. We're going up that mountain, and it's gonna be good. It's gonna be really, really good. What do you think, Jonathan?
Man, it's fun. Beat Stairmaster.
Look at that view, though. Beautiful. Beautiful. Getting closer. All right, y'all. We have reached the summit. We have the beautiful Arkansas terrain below us. What do you think, Jonathan? You good?
It was awesome.
It was awesome?
Gorgeous. Yeah.
So, this is kind of noisy up here. I don't have my normal camera with mic. This is just my phone. But I told John that we were going to do cardio this morning. He thought we were going to do Stairmaster. This is far from the Stairmaster. It's much harder. I mean, it's literally like straight up vertical climbing, but so much more rewarding because once you reach the summit, you get to see this, and this is beautiful. So, you gotta love it. Give y'all some perspective. It's pretty cold up here. All of this water is frozen, so pretty chilly. Gotta love it though. All right, y'all, we just got done hiking up Pinnacle Mountain. It was great. Great way to start the day. Great form of cardio. My fingers are frozen. My ears are cold. What do you think, Jonathan?
I think it was awesome, man. I've never been up a mountain and to like see it in all of its glory. It was good, dude. It was good. Hard, but good.
Gotta love it. Gotta love it. All right, let's go get warmed up and get something to eat. All right, y'all, we are back at the house. Jonathan is leaving today, so we are going to go to breakfast, have one more meal together, and then he's gonna hit the road to go back to Houston. I am craving bacon and eggs, so I'm probably gonna get a whole big old plate of bacon and eggs. You ready, baby?
Yes.
Where we at?
The Bryant Cafe.
The Bryant Cafe. You gonna get some bacon and eggs?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. All right, so we got our 10 eggs, 10 pieces of bacon. Crystal got an omelet, and Jonathan copied me. We got the same thing. All right, y'all. We just ate our bacon and eggs. I'm gonna factor that into my macros for the 2 pounds and a brick. It'll work out nicely. Jonathan is headed away. He's going back to Houston. Crystal is cold, so she's gonna jump in the van. Jonathan, see you later, buddy.
Later, bro.
Have a good man.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, we're headed to a wedding. I'm not going to wear the cap at the wedding. I just feel naked without it, so it's on right now. This is a pretty casual wedding, though, so Crystal's all dressed up. We are headed in to Little Rock. Ooh, baby, you look so cute. All right, y'all, the wedding, actually it wasn't even a wedding, it was like a meet and greet. They actually eloped last weekend. I didn't even know that.
You did?
I didn't know that?
Yeah, you did.
Apparently I knew that. Anyways, we're gonna get some coffee right now. This is the first coffee I've had in months, but why not? You happy?
Super happy.
Let's get coffee.
What are you about to do, Robert?
About to take a sip of coffee. Hadn't had a coffee for quite a while. So good, y'all, so good.
As good as you remember?
Yes, and I'm not addicted to coffee anymore, so I don't have any shame in having 1 cup once in a blue moon. It's very good.
I'm addicted and I'm proud of it.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's actually the next morning. I'm having my pre-workout because I'm about to train legs. I forgot to close out the vlog yesterday, so I'm going to do that right now. Yesterday, so the video that you've just seen, had 2 pretty important points. One was that we hiked up that mountain and did that for our morning cardio as our strenuous activity, and we saw that sunrise. what I'm gonna try and do going forward is do something hard every damn day. I'm just gonna be like hashtag every damn day. You know, do something that puts you outside your comfort zone, outside what is normal, and just put yourself out there a little bit. Like, it wasn't exciting to wake up early and go out there in the cold and run up a mountain, as opposed to just going to like a nice warm, you know, gym and doing your Stairmaster for 20 minutes. But the result and the outcome was much more favorable. For instance, we got to see that beautiful sunrise. I mean, we started the day off like in a very meditative state. It was very peaceful, and that comes with doing hard things. Like, whenever I go through a competition prep, push myself harder than I ever had before. When it's over, I'm like on top of a mountain, and I'm just reflecting on what I've gone through to get to where I'm at, and that's so much more rewarding than having never gone through that struggle. So hashtag every damn day, do something hard. The second thing was my best friend since 7th grade, Charlie Boykin, you know, got married and had that reception thing. And that was, I didn't really get any footage of that because it was kind of like a small group deal. But Charlie and I have been best friends since 7th grade, y'all. I mean, we go way, way, way back. We made all kinds of stories together, and it's cool to see him progressing and moving forward in life and doing stuff like that. So more power to him, you know, best of luck to him. I'm hoping for nothing but the best, and proud of him. I'm proud of him. We've gone very different paths in life. He's in the military, probably gonna make military a career. Maybe not, I don't know, who knows. But we've gone definitely through different paths in life, but we have this respect for each other. It's been cool to watch each other's journey as the years unfold. You don't make any new old friends, so do what you can to keep those relationships solid, and do what you can to keep those relationships fresh. You know, like, pick up the phone, call your friend that you hadn't talked to in years, let them know you're thinking about them, because that's important. All right, I'm about to go work out, train some legs. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Today.